Um, so thank you everyone for coming. So this event came together at the last minute. In many ways, it's an outgrowth of these stack sprints that we've been doing. We started these outreach evenings and beginner sessions a couple sprints ago, but this time it felt like we really wanted to spread the word. So we expanded the scope past just stack sprints to be cloud native geospatial and have cloud optimized geotef and other formats come in. And it's definitely an experiment. We're excited for you to join us for this. We had a whole bunch of people signed up and I'm super impressed by the content. So likely we'll try to learn from this and hopefully do another one. Thanks especially to our speakers who came together at the last moment to put a lot of great content together. I'm joined for this opening by Bruno Sánchez-Andrade Nuño, who recently joined Microsoft to help them with their planetary computer. Bruno was just talking, and he'll say a couple words and give a talk in a bit. And for the opening, I'm representing Planet. Planet and Microsoft are convening sponsors who provide the core funding to bring us together. And then we've been joined by a ton of other really amazing sponsors. Arturo came in at the last minute. They're super awesome, and you'll hear Jeff's talk doing machine learning for insurance stuff on aerial imagery. And then World Bank Group, Digital Africa are two new sponsors to Stack, both working on international development issues. And you'll hear from them. World Bank, I think we didn't quite get it. No, that's not true. Dave Liu, who was previous to the World Bank, will share some stuff there, and they've done a lot of really great work. Spark Geo, Maxar have been with us since the beginning. Element 84 and AWS round out our other top tier of sponsors, and you can see the others below. And yeah, we wanted to just do a brief welcome from the two main companies sponsoring. I'll go first from the Planet perspective, and then Bruno will share a couple words of why Microsoft is here and sponsoring and excited. Planet's been doing cloud native geospatial since the beginning. I'm pretty sure we were the first company to be built from the ground up on the cloud. Planet helped start cloud optimized geotiff with Frank Warmerdam and Evan Roll, coming up with a format, writing the GDAL code and putting it into production, and then Landsat on AWS. Planet also supports my time on Stack. We don't quite have Stack in production, but it's very firmly on our roadmap. And yeah, channeling my boss, Robbie, co-founder and chief strategy officer, who lets me spend time on this and sponsors the funding of this. He's just really excited to see this open ecosystem come together for Planet to play a role in it and to encourage something much bigger than just what we do. And yeah, I'm personally really excited. This time we got tasking of our SkySats for winners for the awards, and we're even releasing that as the most liberal license I've managed to have Planet release stuff in, a CC by, which will be pretty great. So Planet's excited to support all of you and what you're building as an ecosystem. Bruno, you want to say a couple words?
Yes. Hello, everyone. First of all, thank you for joining. In this difficult, I guess every meeting starts with that, but it's worth repeating that these are not normal times. So it's great that you take time to work on this. It's a pleasure to be part of the helping make this happen as a sponsor. I should also clarify that the success of this leans heavily on Chris and everyone else joining this. From my part, I didn't really have much time to help organize it. So thank you, Chris, and everyone else who has helped put this together. For us, it's very easy to choose to help here, not only because I think it's the right thing to do to support tools like the ones we're working on here, and also because it aligns a lot with the work we are doing with the planetary computer. I'll speak about it in a second, but there are ways to partner with that. So besides the partnership that we've talked about it here, if you are working on data sets, if you need computation, if you need other helps that you think Microsoft can help, please feel free to reach out to figure out a way we can help you. Thank you, Chris. Over to you.
Awesome. Thanks. And yeah, sorry, I just realized that my video was off. This Zoom little setup is confusing me at the moment, but hopefully we're good now. Awesome. So I did want to say a couple words about the Cloud Native Geospatial Sprint. So this is the outreach day where we're really trying to tell the world about what we're doing and put a bunch of intro sessions up. The sprint will start on Thursday. Originally, we're going to try to kick off today, but I think it'll be easier to kick off on Thursday. So come join us and contribute. We want to convert more data to Cog and Stack and update existing data sets. Sign up for updates on this Google group. I'll send out information there and not spam everybody like I have been. And yeah, we'll convene on Thursday at about this same time. And we've got lots of great prizes. I won't go into them, but we really want to award contribution and have lots of great swag and welcome new contributors to our ecosystem. And one of the coolest ways to contribute is by taking part in our data labeling contest. Everyone participating in this contest helps make this new Stack data set. And I'll hand this over to Hamed, the new executive director of Radiant Earth, who is the main organization behind Stack, to share the details.
Thank you, Chris. And hello, everyone. Before jumping at this, I want to take a moment and also thank you, Chris, for pulling this event together and also leading Stack community for the last 3 years. It has been a very productive community. So thank you, Chris, for that. Yes, as Chris mentioned, so in this round of the sprint, we have a new community event, basically a data labeling contest to bring those volunteers who are interested in generating a training data set in a Stack catalog. Chris, if you can move to the next slide. So the goal is basically using a crowdsourced platform. In this case, we are going to use Xavier's groundwork labeling tool, generate an open access data set. It will be hosted on Radiant ML Hub. We are going to generate a label of clouds in the Sentinel-2 imagery, and the result will be published as a Stack catalog. You see a sample of a labeled cloud imagery at the bottom of the slide. And we would like to thank Digital Earth Africa that provided their Sentinel-2 cogs on AWS that we are using in this effort. So it's a community effort, and we encourage everyone who is interested to do this to join, and it will be a public catalog at the end. If you can move to the next slide. So the logistics, some of you might have seen the announcement, a blog post and a sign up form already. But if you haven't, you can sign up at this link, go to bit.ly stacking cloud labels. I think that should be easy to remember. You will sign up on a Google form, and then around 10 a.m. PDT, 17 UTC, you will receive an email from the groundwork team that some projects have been shared with you on the platform. It's about a week-long contest, so you have until September 15th to participate and label as many tasks as you can. It is really voluntarily, so as much as you want to participate. We have a blog post detailing some more kind of logistics. Go to bit.ly data labeling contest. I mean, we had this in the email, and I will put it in the chat if you want the links, but those are the details on that. We also have a Slack channel for participants who want to share experience with each other, what they're doing on the labeling, if they see any challenge or anything that would be related to the data labeling topic itself. You can join ML Hub Slack if you are not already there, and then the channel is Stack 6 Labeling Contest. There's also a good check out the intro session today. So the Xavier's team will have an intro session on the groundwork platform and how you can use it in this specific contest. So after the lightning talks today at 9 a.m. PDT, 16 UTC, we will have the first round of intro sessions, and Joe Morrison and Nikki from Xavier will be presenting that. So join that session if you're interested in the contest to learn more about the groundwork platform. And one of the things I want to add here, the reason we're doing this is groundwork is an amazing tool for labeling satellite imagery, and it produces your result at the end, basically export your result with a Stack catalog. And that's easy for Radiant ML Hub because we can easily ingest the catalog. So that's one of the interoperability between the tools. And we can easily shake hands here because we talk in a Stack language, basically. And that has been an amazing the development from Xavier's team. So check out for that. And other than the contest, it's an amazing tool for producing Stack catalogs of training data sets. And then the question is, okay, what is the scoring? So everybody will get, everybody who has a minimum level of contribution will get awarded. The scoring is mathematical complication. So we have a mix of number of tasks that you do, number of polygons that you would draw in each task, and then how much of that was a cloud versus background. So we have incorporated basically how complex is the task you're doing and the volume of tasks that you will do basically. So the more tasks you do, practically you will get a higher score. The higher the number of polygons, the better. And the more complex the images it is, meaning that you have more of cloud and background polygons within each task, you will basically get a higher score here. We have a sample of that on the blog post if you're interested to see how it plays out. But you don't need to do anything with this. It automatically calculates that, and we will have a leaderboard that will show your score using your username that you use in the sign-up form. So check out the leaderboard when the competition starts later today. We will have a number of awards. So the top award, it's a $2,000 cash plus a very interesting award from the Planet team, basically open 50 centimeter SkySat image that you can task yourself. So you can task that satellite, take a picture for you, and then you will have access to that with an open access. So that's an amazing top award. And then second and third place will have a $750 or a $200 and a jacket. And then we have special awards for a top labeler from an African country, if they're not among the basically top 3, and then also a top woman labeler, similar prize. The next 5 top labelers will also get some prize. And as I said, anyone with a minimum score of 10 on the leaderboard will get at least a t-shirt or a $20 cash prize. So it's going to be a very great community event. I would encourage everyone who is interested to join. Lastly, thanking all the sponsors of the contest, particularly Planet, Microsoft, Xavier, and our own Radiant Earth Foundation, bringing this together. It's the first time we are doing this. I'm sure we will learn a lot, and we'll have a even more challenging contest in future sprints. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks.